Hello! Today's episode is about third chakra and how to activate it. The third chakra location is right here, from belly button and sternum and between right there. And you can say 2 inches above your belly button is also third chakra, solar plexus right here. So if you touch it, you might feel a little pain or uncomfortableness. That means how stressful you are, how stressed you are, and how third chakra is blocked or unbalanced. So that's what we're gonna talk about. When you look at the third chakra closely, you can see moons. From crescent to the full moon, it has creation. It has energy of a creation. It's keep changing. And color-wise, when you see it's orange. Orange, it means also creative color. So orange, passion, you want to do something, motivated, right? When you look at when your third chakra is really balanced, very healthy, then what happens? You have good digestion, you have achievement of goals, you achieve things, okay? But when it's not balanced, when it's not healthy, then you feel lack of will, fear, hatred, liver, and stomach problems. So it has all the emotional stresses right here. So it's the important thing is how to deal with the stress. So are you ready to release your stress? When you look at the gemstone, there is orange calcite or citrine, right? This one. So citrine is right here. So this one too. Everybody, when you do tests, you have different chakra results with the different crystals or jasper. Okay, or orange calcite. This one is orange calcite color. So all the orange color of crystal work for your third chakra, make you motivated, excited, and recover your energy back to achieve whatever you want with a relaxed mind. So when you have a lot of stress, actually you're a lot of tension here. And the reason we have a lot of stress because we have so many desires to achieve, right? You want to make money, you want to success in relationship, you want to have a bigger house, you want to have better children. You have so much you want, right? So your expectation is this big, and when it's not done the way you expected, then you got stress, right? So all stress came from your expectation when it's not achieved. So when you're not happy with what the result is, then you're anxious, maybe you're judging yourself, maybe I did something wrong, a lot of judgment, right? So it creates a lot of emotional, you feel angry, you feel anxious, you worry a lot, and you're afraid, so many anxieties here, right? So much emotion, sad, all the emotional, the symptoms, it come from your third chakra. So to release, by releasing your emotional stress, you can actually recover your third chakra, original passion, original power to achieve comes back, and you feel very motivated, excited to achieve something new instead of worrying about what if, right? So people who think too much, they always have a lot of anxiety here. It's hard to sleep well at night too. So by releasing the tension here, you sleep better actually. You can finally stop thinking and relax into your body and sleep. So you have better sleep, then better energy. So your energy is more fulfilled, so you can achieve more too. So third chakra is very important to stress release. If you need any personal questions, please write down below in my comments so I can respond to you. First of all, what you can do is you can stimulate by tapping. So as we did the tapping for second chakra, third chakra also same thing. You can tap and exhale. Okay, good. When you tap, you might feel pain too, but relax the pain, relax into the pain and exhale. But relax your shoulder. Even you feel tight there, relax your shoulder, bend your knee a little bit if you can, and exhale. You can do sitting posture, also you can do standing posture, it doesn't matter. Whatever you feel comfortable, wherever you are, tap, exhale. Okay, good, rub to the clockwise. Do your fingers like this and pump. Gently you can pump and breathe out. Okay, one more time. Okay, if you feel a little better, push a little further and breathe out. So this is acupressure point in Oriental medicine we call Jungwan point. So by stimulating Jungwan point, you can feel a lot of tension in it, and by breathing out, it softens. So keep breathing out. The key point is when you feel pain there, how to handle the pain, right? A lot of times people feel pain, they got stressed and they feel like that one doesn't work. So when you feel pain, it's painful anyway. Your goal is to release pain. So accept the pain, breathe out. So don't resist against pain. Accept the pain and completely embrace pain. Then pain will be loosening up and it softens and it relaxes. So breathe out. Okay, good, like this. And after a while, then you can breathe this time. Breathe it out first. Breathe out, push. And you're gonna go deeper. And breathe in, relax. Breathe in naturally. Breathe out, relax. Breathe in naturally. Like baby breathing. Baby breathe very naturally and breathe out. The more you go deeper breath, exhaling, the deeper breathing in comes. Breathe out. Deeper for 5 seconds this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And breathe in. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let it go. You keep pushing, pushing, pushing. You keep exhaling, exhaling. Suddenly, let it go. Then you breathe in. So it's a balloon. Air comes in, air goes out. This time I'm going to show you with the tools. This is the belly button healing tools. You can use for belly button pumping, or you can use this Jungwan third chakra pumping. So this one, as we did before, instead of tapping with your hands, we pump with the tools. Breathe out. This is the reason we use tools, because it goes deeper and it's not taking a lot of tension in your shoulder, because when you push your hands, it tenses up somehow in your shoulder, trying. So this time is easy. Rhythmically keep pumping, exhale. So you go deeper, and then you can go deeper this way. You can go deeper. This one is more painful, but you go deep, touching the tension in your third chakra. The more pain you have means the more you have blockages or stress. But even then, don't worry. Accept the pain, exhale. Later, it gets better. You're stressed, you tense up, right? By exhaling, you relax it. And then it got easier to breathe. This time, deeper as much as you can. And let it go. Breathe out, push. Deep, deep, deep. And let it go. Breathe out, push. And let it go. One more time, go this way. Breathe out, push. And let it go. Breathe out, push. Deep, 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 5 seconds. And let it go. Okay, this way you can feel much warmer in your body. You feel much light in your shoulder and lighter. So after that, you walk around. Please walk around, see how your body feels like and how your breathing feels like. So if you do the right way, your benefit is you're gonna feel breathing different. You feel so lighter in your body, so relaxed at the same time. Breath becomes so deep. So actually, now actually I can catch my breath. You can say, I can breathe now, that kind of thing. So do this one. You can buy this one through the Amazon.com too, belly button tools, or you can use your fingers anytime, any place. Okay, bye-bye. I'll see you next time for the fourth chakra.